हमने मैच जीत लिया। We have won the match. We have won the match. फिर नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, मैंने पेन खो दिया है। I have lost pen. I have lost pen. वे चले गए हैं। They have gone. They have gone. फिर नेक्स्ट, क्या बच्चा सुबह से रो रहा है? Has the child been crying since morning? Has the child been crying since morning? बिल्ली दूध पी गई। The cat drank the milk. The cat drank the milk. नेक्स्ट, चंदर यहाँ प्रतिदिन आता है। चंदर come here daily. चंदर come here daily. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, खरगोश कुएं में कूद गया। The rabbit jumped into the well. The rabbit jumped into the well. मैं बचपन में हॉकी खेलता था। I played hockey in childhood. I played hockey in childhood. 12 विद्यार्थियों ने परीक्षा नहीं दी। 12 students did not give the exam. 12 students did not give the exam. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, तुम कल वहाँ नहीं गए। You did not go there yesterday. You did not go there yesterday. तुमने आज खाना नहीं खाया। You did not have lunch today. You did not have lunch today. फिर नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल है, उन्होंने तुम्हें फ़ोन नहीं किया। They did not phone you. They did not phone you. अमित 3 महीनों से गेहूं नहीं पीस रहा है। अमित has not been grinding wheat for 3 months. अमित has not been grinding wheat for 3 months. क्या उसने सांप पकड़ा? Did he catch the snake? Did he catch the snake? फिर नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल है, क्या मैं बाजार गया? Did I go to market? Did I go to market? वे घर क्यों जा रहे थे? Why were they going to home? Why were they going to home? फिर नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल आता है, वह दूध नहीं पी रही थी। She was not drinking the milk. She was not drinking the milk. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल है, वह फूल नहीं तोड़ रहा था। I was not plucking the flowers. I was not plucking the flowers. फिर नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, क्या वे होली मना रहे थे? Were they celebrating Holi? Were they celebrating Holi? अध्यापक आ गए थे। The teacher had come. The teacher had come. वह पहले ही जाग चुका था। I had already woken up. I had already woken up. बूढ़ा आदमी पुलिस को फोन कर चुका था। The old man had phoned the police. The old man had phoned the police. आपके चाचा कहाँ रहते हैं? Where does your uncle live? Where does your uncle live? कार चल चुकी थी। The car had started. The car had started. क्या वह रोज कार्यालय नहीं जाता? Does he not come to office daily? Does he not come to office daily? फिर नेक्स्ट, लड़के खेल चुके थे। The boys had played. The boys had played. गाय कल से दूध क्यों नहीं दे रही है? Why has the cow not been giving milk since yesterday? Why has the cow not been giving milk since yesterday? क्या वहाँ जा रहा है? Is he going? Is he going? वह बाजार नहीं जा रहा है। He is not going to market. He is not going to market. क्या वह सोमवार से बीमार है? Has he been ill since Monday? Has he been ill since Monday? बाघ बहुत तेज दौड़ सकता है। The tiger can run very fast. The tiger can run very fast. मैं हिंदी बोल सकता हूँ। I can speak Hindi. I can speak Hindi. Next example. तुम यहाँ नहीं रह सकते। You cannot stay here. You cannot stay here. क्या मैं 2 घंटे से सो रही हूँ? Have I been sleeping for 2 hours? Have I been sleeping for 2 hours? अध्यापक 5 महीनों से खेल आयोजित नहीं कर रहे हैं। The teacher has not been organizing games for 5 months. अजय बाजार नहीं गया था। Ajay had not gone to market. Ajay had not gone to market.